Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video we are going to solve a very good puzzle called Gate to Heaven. Okay, so what this puzzle says, so you have given the two gates, that is gate 1 and gate 2. Okay, the question says that um, one gate goes to the hell and another gate goes to the heaven. Okay, so you have to choose which gate goes to the heaven. The another condition that they have given is that you have two gatekeepers, let's say d1 and d2. Okay, so with the help of these two doorkeepers you have to find which door goes to the heaven. Okay, the condition that they have given is that you can ask only one question to any one of them. Okay, like suppose you can ask any question but only one. You can ask doorkeeper 1 or you can ask doorkeeper 2, but only one question. Okay, so guys, just think about this is very good puzzle. Once you solve this you will really enjoy it and will start solving these kinds of puzzles. And guys, the condition that they have given is that one doorkeeper is going to tell you the lie and another doorkeeper is going to tell you the truth. So if you ask this doorkeeper which door goes to the heaven, then this person is going to tell you the truth, but in contrast this person will tell you the lie. Okay, so this is the condition that they have given. Now you have to tell you have to predict which gate goes to the hell and which gate goes to the heaven. Means you have to actually find the which gate goes to the heaven. Okay, so guys, I highly recommend, just think about it and just try to solve this problem. Okay, so guys, so I hope you tried this puzzle. Even if you didn't solve it, then I'll tell you what is the answer of this. So if you approach to this doorkeeper 1, then what you will ask, you will ask that uh, d if I ask d2 which door goes to the heaven, what he will say. Means I am going to ask him that, with the help of him I'll get the answer. Okay, so I'll ask him that uh, what d2 will say, okay, about which door goes to the heaven. Okay, so what he would answer us, this d1, let's say d1 is telling us the lie. Okay, he is a liar, and we will ask him that if we approach the d2, what he will say. Okay, so d2 is going to tell the truth. Okay, but this is a liar, so he will tell us the wrong information. Okay, so if he approach to this d2, then this d2 will give him answer as uh, true. Okay, true. Let's say this gate goes to the heaven and this gate goes to the hell. Okay, so this doorkeeper will tell him that g2 is a gate which goes to the heaven, but as it is going to tell, he is going to tell us the lie, so he will tell us that g1. Okay, so ultimately you will get the answer as a hell, which is a g1 gate. Another, you can also ask this person which is telling the truth. You don't know which person is going to tell you the lie or truth. Okay, so if you go with this, if you ask this person, then also will get the same answer. Okay, so if you ask him the question that if this person asks the d1 which gate goes to the heaven, so as this person is going to tell you the lie. Okay, lie to this person, so he will tell that uh, G1 gate goes to the heaven. Okay, goes to the heaven. Now, as this person is going to tell you the truth, okay, so G1, so he will ultimately say that G1 gate is the one which goes to the heaven. So if you ask both these questions, ultimately will end up with the one answer, which is hell, which is a wrong information. Okay, so which is wrong information. So we'll suppose you will get the answer as G1, and you are not going to pick this one, you will pick this one in order to go to the heaven. Okay, so I hope you understood this logic. What's the main logic behind it? Like, you have to use the information that these both gatekeepers have with the help of only one question. Okay, so actually this puzzle was asked in the Infosys interview, and also this kind of logic was introduced in 1986 movie. Actually, I don't remember the movie, but yeah, I have read this, that they have implemented this logic in one movie in earlier about 90s movies. So even if you didn't understand, then just do read this question, both question. You can ask one of these question to anyone. Okay, you will get the answer. Just think about it, definitely will find a very good interesting puzzle, and you will start solving these kinds of puzzle. So I hope you like this puzzle. So if you are interested in puzzle and also in a subject called data structure and algorithm, then do subscribe my channel, do like my video, and from now on I'm going to post these videos related to these puzzles and DS algo frequently. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.